Hi guys, welcome to a short video on how to remove your fixings for your MR2 Roadster Hardtop. So you've got the little bracket at the back, which is T40 T30 Torx. So obviously you can undo both of them, take that off. A slight correction on the rear bracket, so there's 3 T30 Torx brackets to take off. So remove them and then you can exchange it for your matching plate. Bracket for the rear latches to secure the hardtop. You got 2 of these, so you just pop them out by putting the screwdriver in the centre, then you can lift them out. You have to lift this out and it's just literally clicked into place. So the one-handed technique, you can just pull it there, and then you get access to 2 12mm bolts. So obviously take them out and then remove this bracket. So repeat the same for the other side, and then that's your fitting kit for your hardtop removed, or the brackets anyway. There is also the cable for the rear heated screen. So obviously just trace that back down to where it comes from, and you can remove that as well. So, but most people seem to sell it without that. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.